Enthusiastic introduction. Nick here, back again. Wow, yeah, it's been a few years. How you doing? How you been? A lot of life happening. Here I am. Haven't posted a video in a really long time. I've kind of fallen out of FPV hobby for the moment. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of fixing, a lot of repairing, a lot of new technology every year, and I kind of just got burned out, honestly. Still has a place in my heart, but for the time being, taking some space from it. But I have a hopefully fun announcement. I'm going to be still making content on this channel, and I've recently got very into fidget toys. And if you're picturing like spinners from 2017, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about really cool premium fidget toys. It's been such a fun little hobby I've gotten into, and I think some point soon I'm going to try to design my own so that it really scratches my design engineering itch and also creative itch that FPV did, just a little more manageable. If that seems interesting to you, stick around. If not, no worries. Appreciate you coming by, and stay tuned for more fidget videos. I'm going to be reviewing cool products that other folks have made, and then eventually, hopefully soon, designing some of my own and sharing that whole process with you. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you around. Bye.